This is a lovely exercise that combines listening with mark making. So I'm in a local park and I'm going to be using this circle to do a sound map of the area around me. So to start off, all you need is some coloured pens. Just got these with me. Anything will do, whatever you've got at home. And a piece of paper around that sort of size with a circle in the middle of it. I've just drawn that on there with a plate. So to start off with, you want to make a mark in the middle of this, right in the centre. Just put a cross like that, and that cross marks where you are, or more precisely where your ears are. And the edge of the circle is the surrounding area. So once you've done that, have a listen. And you might want to use what we call deer ears, which is you just cup your hands behind your ears, and you'll find that if you do that, you can focus your hearing much more precisely. If I listen now, I can see loads of trees over there, but I can also hear the wind blowing in them. So I'm going to get a green pen and I'm going to do just some green markings over there, just to mark that there's some sound of wind through the trees coming over there. What else can I hear? I can hear a bird over there, so I'm going to get a different colour and do a little bird shaped squiggle there, just something simple, just anything you like. It's just, you're just making marks really, so it can be quite elaborate, but it's really just about just making signs on here that signal to you what you've listened, what you've heard. And the key thing really is this is focusing your attention on your hearing. That's really the purpose of it. So what else can I hear? Oh, some more birds over there. And there's a river just over there, so I'm going to mark that I can hear the river just about, probably about there, so about, so I've got some wavy blue lines there just to mark a river. So you're beginning to get the idea. That's really what this exercise is all about. It's quite fun. Just go to your local park with some pens and a piece of paper and have a go, see how you get on. So have fun out there. I stayed on after finishing the video and did a little bit more listening and made some more marks on my sound map. As you can see from the photo, I could hear some sound in the trees behind me and some birds which I've marked on there with little squiggles. I was also lucky enough to be visited by a bee. The sound of the bee came in behind my head and then just came round to my right and headed off to the right hand side. And I've marked that a little bit of a bee drawing and some yellow dotted lines just to mark where that sound was going. So from that drawing you can see it's not just about what's in front of you, it's also about what you can hear behind you. So it's the entire circle of sound around where you are in that centre point. I could have taken much longer with this, could have spent a whole afternoon there playing around, but take as long as you want and just have fun with it. See how you get on.